Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and we are hanging out during our Backyard Biology Bootcamp this week. It is so much fun. We're learning about animals, we're learning about plants and microscopes and cellular respiration. Wow! It is amazing. Check out what we're doing this week. In this activity, we are learning about photosynthesis and how the leaf produces food for the plant. And then we did a leaf collection, and we're putting them down and identifying the shape of the leaf, the margin, and also the venation of each leaf. Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.